this video, I'm going to show you how to update your iOS on your iPad. So it's important to make sure your iPad is fully up to date, as this will improve both your security and also performance, and it means you'll have access to new features and also bug fixes for your iPad. So to go and update to the latest version, simply go and grab your iPad. From the home screen, we're just going to click on the settings icon. In the left-hand navigation, click on General, and then you'll see this option here called Software Update. Go ahead and click on this. Now, before you can update your iPad, you need to make sure you're connected to the internet. So if you're not already, go and connect to a Wi-Fi network. And right at the top here, you'll see automatic updates. So make sure this feature is turned on and enabled, and that's going to mean you always get the latest updates for your iPad. Now, if there are any updates found, it will go ahead and list them here. So you can see here that I have one update available, and to go and update that, we can either click on Update Now, or we can just update it at a later point in time. I'm going to click on Update Now, and then you'll simply need to wait while that goes and updates your iPad. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.